How to buy G-Cubes in Blockman Go. Hi guys, it's Mikran from GamersTech. Today I am going to guide you how to buy G-Cubes in Blockman Go. Buying G-Cubes in Blockman Go is quite easy. So without any delay, let's start the video. Open Blockman Go. Launch the app on your mobile device. Go to the shop. From the main menu, tap on the shop or recharge button. This is usually located on the home screen or in the setting menu. Select G-Cube package. Browse through the available G-Cube packages. Packages are typically listed with their corresponding price. Example 100 G-Cubes for $0.99 etc. Choose a payment method. After selecting a package, you will be redirected to the payment interface. For Android, Google Play Store. Use credit card, debit card, Google Pay or gift cards. For iOS, App Store. Use Apple Pay, credit card, debit card, etc. Complete the transaction. Follow the on-screen instruction to finalize the payment. Ensure your device is connected to the internet and has sufficient funds. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can buy G-Cubes in Blockman Go. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.